In this video, we're diving into the MB Quart MBQJ-48CRGB tuned rear soundbar built for the 2024 Plus Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. If you are in need of an upgraded rear soundbar experience with killer audio and lighting for your rig, today's video is going to be right up your alley. This isn't just another soundbar, it's a complete plug-and-play upgrade that brings serious audio punch and integrated RGB lighting to your ride. It features 4 8-inch coaxial speakers, 1-inch PEI dome tweeters, and a lightweight composite frame design for maximum airspace. Now, let's get into it. Here's a list of tools you'll need for this installation. Let's start by opening the hood of the vehicle. Disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10mm socket. Remove the 5 T25 Torx bolts at the front of the soundbar. With the use of a trim tool, gently remove the front of the soundbar from the vehicle. Disconnect the 2 connectors from the front of the soundbar and set it aside for now. On the driver's side, remove the 3 T30 Torx bolts. Then, remove 3 more T30 Torx bolts on the passenger side from the rear speaker. Then, remove the soundbar. Disconnect the black connector and place the rear soundbar aside for now. Next, make the 2 connections on your RGB harness. Place your new MB Quart soundbar into position. It's helpful to have another person help with this if possible. Reinstall the 6 T30 Torx bolts to hold in the soundbar. Bring the front soundbar back into the vehicle and reconnect the 2 connectors. Place the front soundbar back into its original position. If installing just the MB Quart RGB soundbar, simply tuck the wiring before reinstalling the front soundbar. For amplifier connection, you will need to reference that part in the Stage 4 installation video. Reinstall the 5 T25 Torx bolts at the front of the soundbar. In the engine bay, reconnect battery with a 10mm. That wraps up this installation. If you're interested in this or any other product from MB Quart, visit our website at mbquart.com. Thanks for watching.